Hello guys! So, I believe I'm live. I am going to keep this video really short because it's really hot here, as you can see. But I am coming to you from a beautiful Kampuhan Ridge Walk. So first of all, I would love to show you around. I'm actually sitting like in the hill in front of this. Whoa, how epic! Beautiful jungle and river and more. Kampuhan Ridge Walk is a beautiful jungle walk which a lot of people is taking because it's very central in Ubud and very easy. It's hilly. It's 120-130 meters up, but it's easy to take. It's about 1.3 kilometers, and on top of it there are beautiful cafes and artistic places and local village and rice fields and farmers, and it's really beautiful here. But today I would love to share with you quickly before I completely cook here what am I starting, because I have done one video yesterday but the sound was so bad, so I hope that this one is gonna be better. If not, that's okay, then we take it another way. So the question which I posed into this video is, am I Iron Man or Iron Woman ready? Not today, but hopefully I will be in June, because in June, guys, 25th of June 2022, I am going to do a 70.3 or a half Ironman challenge in Lombok. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be absolutely insane and crazy. And for those of you who don't know what Ironman is, it's basically a huge distance triathlon. So for my case, it's going to be 1.9 kilometers swimming, 90 kilometers on the bike, and 21.5 kilometers running in Lombok, the island beside Bali. And I have decided at the end to partner up with somebody. So I have a couple of people I'm discussing with now, and we are going to partner up about the cycling. So I am personally going to do running and swimming, and then I will have another person doing the cycling, and we will finish as a team. And I want to share with you why I'm doing it, because this is crazy hard. I am on day number 2 in my training, and not an easy thing. I definitely do not want to complain. I'm blessed that I can be doing this, and I want to share with you why I'm doing it. So hopefully it will bring some inspiration and some motivation and so on. Hopefully you can see me. So the reason why I'm doing it, there are two things. Thing number one is, as you probably have noticed if you have been following me for some time, I'm all about pushing the limits. I'm all about seeing what we are capable of as human beings, physically, spiritually, mentally, and beyond. And that's the reason why I'm doing such a competition. In 4 years I'm gonna be 40, and I am not an athlete. I have been doing some sports, but definitely not my whole life. Actually pretty short part of my life if you compare the all years of what I have been alive. And I want to show that it's possible. You know, I want to show that you can be an ordinary person doing extraordinary things. This is why I do my meditation practice, which I have also shared about yesterday, and I'm going to share about more. This is why I am doing the Ironman competition. This is why I am, you know, pushing my limits every single day in living here in tropics, living in another culture, living in another country, being a single mom, living off raw food and highly raw plant-based whole foods diet, and so on. I basically want to show people what is possible, what we are capable of, and how incredible forces we have inside us, and how we can use them if we allow ourselves to do so. So that is reason number one. And reason number two is because I come from a home violence background. I have been physically and psychologically violated by my father for more than 20 years, and it has been a challenging time, and it made me the person I am today. And if he taught me one thing, it was that I will never ever give up. it takes quite a lot of time and effort to break me down due to all these experiences. And for many years I could not do any movement because I had so many traumas on my body that every time I have tried to do some sports, every time I've tried to do some dancing and other stuff I love, I got such an intense pain. I have been for about 16 years in 17 years, something like that, in different therapies, and thanks God, thanks source, whoever who is ruling this beautiful planet, when I got pregnant I got really sick with anxiety and depression and more, and I got diagnosed with post-traumatic stress disorder. And I probably had that by that time for years, just nobody noticed, and I was always treated for eating disorders, for stress, for sleeping disorders, for anxiety, for depression, for yeah, all kind of different things I've had, but not for trauma. And this finding that I had PTSD, that have started an incredible 3.5 years long healing process, which was tough and difficult and crazy and painful, but which led me into where I am today, into a completely healed, diagnosis-free human being who has tons of energy, high vibe state, is fully alive, and I feel better than I did when I was 15, when I started all these treatments and therapies. So today I am forever, I hope you can see something, I cannot see anything. Today I'm forever grateful for all the incredible journey, for everything I have learned along the way. And when I am gonna do the Iron Man or Iron Woman as I call it, I am gonna have a t-shirt with saying from a home violence survivor into an Iron Man woman, because I wanna raise awareness about home violence, because that's something quite a lot of women are experiencing, even with their parents or with their partners or both. And I also wanna bring hope, bring motivation to somebody who might be living in such a situation, that it's possible to break through, that it's possible to break free, and that it is possible to be completely sick and with all kind of limitations mentally and physically, and come on the other side and do the impossible, because nothing is impossible as I believe. I just believe some things might take more time, more effort, and I always teach this to my son because I want him to see, like, hey, mama is coming to her 40s and she's just doing this incredible stuff. I'm so proud of her. Not because necessarily I want him to be proud of me, but because I want him to learn that he can do absolutely anything he decides in his life. Just some things might take more time and more training to achieve. Okay, so there are these two reasons why I'm gonna do the Ironman challenge, to raise the awareness around home violence and being a motivation, being this lantern for somebody who is out there, might be experiencing the same thing, to know that they can come on the other side. And the second thing is to show what we are capable of as human beings, mentally, physically, spiritually, and way beyond. So I hope you are super excited as I am, to follow up this journey with me. And if you would love to do so, I am gonna do daily posts on Instagram and on Facebook, sharing my training, sharing my nutrition tips, sharing my mindset tips, because that's a huge part of it, sharing all kind of things I will learn along the way, because there is quite a lot I know, and there is tons of stuff I do not know, and which I will have to master in order to make this happen. So I hope you are excited. I hope you will follow along here and on YouTube and on Instagram and on TikTok. And also, if you would love to do something similar, sorry I cannot see you. If you would love to do something similar, know that I also have a competence in setting up the training, setting up the nutrition, setting up the mindset routines and other routines which support such a intense training and lifestyle. So if you would love to have some help with that, reach out to me. I will be so happy to help you. And yeah, I think that's about it. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you for coming along. I hope I will see you in the next videos, and please share this journey with anybody who might benefit from that, because I'm doing this for myself, but I'm doing it first and foremost for all the people I could potentially touch and inspire along the journey. So I appreciate if you help me to do so. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day. I'm sending you so much love here from beautiful sunny Bali, and looking forward to share this journey with you. Thank you again for coming along. Bye. Have a beautiful day. Ciao.